Namaste everyone. Welcome to IQM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 14 from sloka number 11. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasha upajayate jnanai yada tada vidyad vivriddham sattva mityuta. Sattva, the quality of goodness, will be prominent when the whole being is enlightened with knowledge. Lobha pravrittirarambha karmana mashamaspruha rajas etani jayante vivriddhe bharatarshava. O Arjuna, when there is an increase in rajas, the mode of passion, attachment, deep yearning, fruitive activity will develop. Aprakasho pravrittischa pramado moha eva cha tamas etani jayante vivriddhe kuru nandana. O descendant of Kuru dynasty, when there is an increase in tamas, the mode of ignorance, darkness, madness, and delusions get manifested. यदा सत्त्वे प्रवृद्धे तु प्रलयै याति देहवृत् तदोत्तमविदान् लोकान् अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते. When one dies under the mode of sattva, he attains the pure higher worlds of great sages. Rajasi pralayam gatva karma sangishu jayate tatha pralinasthamasi mudhayonishu jayate. When one dies under the influence of rajas, he is born among those engaged in fruitive activity, and when one dies under the influence of tamas, he is born into mode of delusion. Karmanas sukrutasyahuhu sattvikan nirmalam phalam rajasastu phalan dukkham ajnanam tamasah phalam. The results of pious action is pure and is in the mode of goodness. Action done under the influence of passion results in misery, while the result of work in tamas is foolishness. Sattvat sanjayate jnanam rajaso lobha eva cha pramada mohau tamasah bhavato jnanameva cha. From sattva, understanding is born. From rajas, materialism is born. And from tamas, foolishness, delusion, and ignorance are born. Urdhvam gachanti sattvasthaah madhye tishtanti rajasaah jaghanya guna vrittisthaah adho gachanti tamasaah. Those established in sattva ascend to higher planets. Those in rajas remain on earthly planets, and those in the lowest quality of tamas descend to hellish worlds. Jnanyam gunebhyah kartaram yada drashtanupashyati gunebhyascha parau veti madbhavam sodhigacchati. When one correctly understands that all actions are a result of the three modes of nature and he realizes the Supreme Lord, he attains spiritual transcendence. Guna netanatityatrin dehi deha samudbhavan janma mrityu jara dukkhaihi vimukto mritamashnute. When an embodied being transcends these three modes of nature and liberate himself from this material existence, He is freed from birth, death, old age, and illness, and is able to enjoy life. Arjuna Uvacha Kairlingaistreen Gunanetan Atito Bhavati Prabho Kimacharah Kathang Chaitan Streen Gunanati Vartate. Arjuna said, O Lord, how can we realize who has transcended the three modes, how he has transcended them, and how does he conduct himself? Shri Bhagavanuvacha Prakashancha Pravrittincha Mohamevacha cha Pandhava Nadveshti Sampravrittani Nanivrittani Kankshati. The Lord of Sri said, O son of Pandu, one who does not hate illumination, attachment, who likes delusion when it is present or yearns for it. उदासीनवदासीनः गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येव योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते. Who is undisturbed by the modes of nature, who remains unwavering. With these three gunas, one will get knowledge, involvement, and attachment arises. Then these three gunas give the spiritual knowledge, society knowledge, and spiritual attachment to do service. Samadukha sukha swastha समलोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्मसंस्तुतिः. Who treats sorrow and success equally and dwells in the self, to whom a lump of earth, a stone, and gold are the same, who regards equally the desirable and undesirable, who is steadfast, who is not bothered by blame or praise, to whom honor and dishonor are same. मानापमानयोस्तुल्यः तुल्यो मित्रारिपक्षयोः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी गुणातीतः स उच्यते. Who treats friends and enemy alike, and who has renounced all material undertakings. Such a person is said to have transcended the three modes of nature. Manchayo vyabhicharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samatityaitan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. One who is constantly engaged in devotional service, irrelevant of circumstances, immediately transcends the three gunas and attains Brahman. Brahmano hi pratisthaham amritasya vyayasya cha shashvatasya cha dharmasya sukhasya cha. I am the basis of Brahman, which is immortal, the imperishable, eternal, and is absolutely bliss. Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyaya Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Sauvade Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogo Nama Chaturdashodhyayah.